guys, so welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vlog. Yay! All right, so in today's vlog we're going to be doing lots of resetting because I had a stressful weekend, to say the least. And at about 7 o'clock our power went out and it is now 9 a.m. Still have no power. And then we had to come out here and dig out the damn car, Michigan style. I hate Michigan so much. Don't recommend moving here. Never live here, ever in your life. It's not worth it. Stress to capacity. Okay, bye. Also, we're in here charging all of our devices. I'm pissed! But basically, long story short, you guys know I live in Michigan. In case you guys don't know. Anyway, I hate Michigan, yay! But we had a large snowstorm in March. It's so much fun. That's not even the thing that's bothersome. What's bothersome is the fact that we didn't have power. Oh, okay. That's cool. For 2 days. Oh, okay, that's cool. So anyway, I was stressed out. I'm just trying to reel in from all that stress and like just reset and get everything together in the house and whatnot. Also, we're about to head to Boba. Yay, you guys know I love Boba. So that's a good little unwind. And then I bought this new book that I'm gonna read. I'll show you guys and I'll probably like show you there or read it there. But anyway, so that's most of the vlog. So first I'm gonna start off with like the reset portion and then I'll get into the past when the snowstorm and stuff was here, because yeah, that shouldn't be at the beginning of the vlog because I was very high strung. Anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. But yeah, we're about to head to Boba. This is my coffee that I got this morning from Starbucks. I got something different. I got a brown sugar shaken oat milk espresso. It was okay. It's not my favorite. One of my friends, it's her favorite, so I wanted to try it, but like, it's not for me. It's not for me. But anyway, so this is the outfit of the day. I just have on this like pink sweatshirt, no, pink sweater that you guys have seen me wear before. And then for the bag of the day, I am carrying my MCM Liz tote in Blossom. Yeah, anyway, I'll have to do another review on this because I've had it for a while now. But anyway, I know the pinks don't match, but it's the pinkest pink that'll match. That's a tote bag because I wanted to bring my book and stuff like that. Because I have like that pink Coach pillow tabby. Anyway, so this is the bag of the day. This is the outfit of the day. And we are about to head out to Boba and then come back home and do some resetting. Alright guys, so we have just arrived at Boba. So we're about to head in and get Boba and bubble waffle, which we get every single time. But yay, Sunday reset.
Where'd you go? Who you know? How I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like a rising. With you till the night ends on an island, yeah. It's about time we're waking up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Lying if I said I didn't miss your touch. I needed to.
Like usual, way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell a shit, it is what it is. Damn.
Hey guys, and welcome to another day of the vlog. Today is Thursday. Most importantly, it is my mom's birthday. Happy birthday, Mom. So right now I'm out buying things for her birthday. So I just went and got her a cake and ice cream. Now I'm at the dollar store to see if I can get like the specific like age candles, like the number candles. See if I can get that here. If not, then I am headed to Michael's. I just left Michael's and I saw that they had them, but they were expensive. So like if I can get them for cheaper, I'm gonna get them for cheaper. So I'm just here to do that, and then maybe a card, and yeah. And then I'm also filming a reset video right now, so I'm like so confused on what clips I've talked in and what clips I haven't, like, and what clips are for the vlog. So hopefully this all works out. It's so hard filming for 2 videos at once. So for the reset video today, I am cleaning out my car, and yeah, so I'm gonna be doing that when I come out of the dollar store. But I don't know if I'm going to show you guys that because it's going to be in the reset video. But I might show you guys a little bit. But basically, I'm going to be like wiping down like my steering wheel, like this part up here, the little leather bits on my seats, my handles, stuff like that. And then I have junk in my car. Not junk. They're items. They're not trash or anything. So I just need to take the things out of my car and yeah, just clean this baby up because Dylan and I have been sharing this car since his car broke down. So when his car broke down, so when I was working, my shifts would end by the time he had to go to work. So I'm like, don't even like get your car fixed right now. Like, it's no big deal. I have a brand spanking new car. She can take you to work. And now that I don't have a job, he's the one driving it the most. So he's treating the car nice, better than he treats his car, but you can still tell that he's been in it and he's a guy, you know what I mean? So like, I just need to get it together. But yeah, we're about to head into Dollar Tree. All right guys, so I just finished cleaning out my car for the reset video. I guess I can show you guys a few clips of me cleaning it as well. But I'm about to head into Panera because I ordered a cinnamon crunch bagel. You guys know that's my fave. So I'm about to go get that now. I'm so proud of myself. Trying to save money. I was going to get a chai latte from here as well, but I have chai at home, so I'm just gonna make my own chai latte. So we're about to head into Panera and then head home so I can like start getting all my mom's like birthday stuff together. Yay, Panera.
$100 for the cheapest ring on the nigga finger, little bitch. I done flew one out to Spain to be in my domain, automata, bitch.
Hey guys, and welcome to another day. Yay! It's Friday. I think the last time I saw you guys, it was my mom's birthday, so happy birthday, Mom. But we're just about to head out. We are getting a large snowstorm. That is very normal in Michigan. So we're just gonna do things we need to do before the snow comes. I love it here. I love it here. Happy March, right? Okay. Anyway, so I'm just wearing a basic. You guys have seen me wear this since last year. This is my LA like crew neck from H&M, and then I have on my Victoria's Secret knockout leggings, and then my purse is the Kate Spade purse that I've been carrying. I don't know. I just haven't really switched from it too much unless a specific outfit calls for something else. But as small as it is, it covers a lot. I mean, it holds a lot. But anyway, that's the outfits of the day. So we're about to head out now and eat the snow. Shit. All right, good morning guys, and welcome to day 1 of no power. So we had a snowstorm last night, And at about 7 o'clock, our power went out. And it is now 9 a.m. Still have no power. And then we had to come out here and dig out the damn car, Michigan style. Wipe off the, it's just horrible. I hate Michigan so much. Don't recommend moving here. Never live here, ever in your life. It's not worth it. It's stressful. Anyway, where do we go from here? I don't know. Find out on the next edition of Carly is Stressed to Capacity. Okay, bye. Also, we're in here charging all of our devices. Shout out to my car. She has multiple outlets to charge. But, okay. I'm pissed! Alright guys, so now we left. We're headed back home. We went to McDonald's. We got McDonald's for us and my mom and my brother. I was like, who's going out in this? Nobody. But, oh, the roads are literally trash. I hate it here. I hate it here. At least it's not snowing again today and the sun is out, so the snow should be melting. But if you hear that, that's us just going through the snow. Why are you speeding, sir?
Because I'm driving.
Why hip ass?
I'm driving 2 miles an hour.
But anyway, when people drive, that's the worst part. People don't know how to drive in the snow, and then they cause accidents. It's not you.
I drive around this too.
Why? I go 2 miles an hour. I'm not like trying to get hurt. It's not worth it. We are headed back to home base, hopefully.
Hopefully nobody took our parking spot.
They did. Like,
I had to shovel that parking spot out, Joe.
well, you're taking that L, you know?
I already took one L. I'm not taking it now.
Not the fire engine. Oh my god. Okay, love you guys. I'll see you when we get home. Alright guys, so we are now in the car about to head into the mall. We still have no power.
It is.
Definitely like 4 o'clock. We're gonna head over to my friend's house, my best friend's house soon. She has power, so we're gonna hang out with her.
Possibly. Don't put too much trust in me.
And I did my makeup in the dark. I look a mess. I look a mess. Okay, bye. Alright guys, that is going to be the end of today's vlog. Sorry it was a little bit shorter, but as you can see, it was a time this week. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did, and subscribe before you go to join the Candy Crew. Love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.